This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plug replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and measure the gaps. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, replace the plug. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Loosen the hose clamps and disconnect the hoses. Then remove the mounting bolt and remove the upper intake air resonator. Remove the coil mounting bolts. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the coils. Twist the coil slightly and pull it straight out to remove it. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug area. Wear eye protection when doing this. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of material falling into the cylinder through the spark plug hole as the plugs are removed. Place the spark plug socket over the plug and remove them from the engine by turning in a counterclockwise direction. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plugs to facilitate future removal. Thread the new plugs into the holes until they can no longer be turned with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plugs to the specified torque setting. Install the ignition coils firmly onto the plugs and connect the electrical connectors. Tighten the coil mounting bolts securely. Install the upper intake air resonator, connecting the necessary hoses and pushing the mounting stud firmly into the grommet. Secure the hose clamps and tighten the mounting bolts securely. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.